Ayan, my loves, for part 2 of our Leo's monthly prediction, my loves, for your May 2026. So, nandito, my loves, yung continuation sa naputol na part, my loves. Ayan, meron tayo ditong na-pull na patience. Just a few more months, my loves. My dear Leos, good things come to those who wait. So, I hear, my loves, na pwedeng isang maging blockages mo is yung pagko-question kung bakit hindi pa dumadating sa'yo yung time. So, pwede din, my loves, talaga as Leo, meron kang iniintay na time to shine. And meron ka nga ditong hope returns. So, huwag kang papadistract dito sa mga delays, my loves, na to. Huwag kang papadistract. Huwag mo hahayaan na bumaba ulit yung iyong creativity, yung iyong energy, or yung iyong gana para or motivation para makamtan yung dreams mo or goals. So, dun sa ating yes or no, last oracle, kung meron kang tanong, my loves, narito yung na-pull natin, peaceful resolution. So, kahit ano pa man yung mga hinarap mong problema, my loves, I hear na meron pa rin niyang resolution. And this month of May, pwede ngayon na dumating to. Okay? So, ang isa lang challenge sa'yo, my loves, is kailangan maging consistent ka when it comes to your energy, when it comes to your passion, my loves, and motivations, kasi yun yung pwedeng makapagpa-delay sa'yo. And yun nga, itong kumbaga, pasensya mo, my loves, palagi mo yang i-hold, palagi kang maging consistent para magtuloy-tuloy na yung flow ng pag-overcome mo at maibalik mo na yung dati mong sigla. Okay? And that's all for part 2 of our Leo. Thank you so much and see you in my next one.